Hello everyone! Welcome to another video from Nothing Official. In this video, I'll show you how to manually add background blur effect to your photos. This can be done in your mobile with the help of the application Snapseed developed by Google. Open the image you want to edit. Then, the first thing would be to make the basic edit involving color correction, cropping, rotating, etc. Do the necessary adjustment. Before we move on, I would suggest you to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video if you find it relevant. Please. After that, select the option Lens Blur. Here you could select the focus among circle and rectangle. Adjust the blur strength and transition of focus. Also add vignette if you wish. Once it's done, save the changes. Then, select Edit Stack option and view edits. Choose Lens Blur and follow the next steps as I do. Believe me, it takes time and patience. The end result will be great, and believe me, that is what matters. After making all the changes, export the image which you edited so that it gets saved to your storage. Hope this helped you. That's all for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back with another video.